So now in today's class, let's get started with mean deviation about median. So this is the first question which is given in discrete series. So discrete series means when only numbers are given, it is called discrete series. Okay, so we have to form a table here. So let us write, we can form the following table for the given data. Now we will write the table in vertical form. Xi, Fi. Now whenever median is given, we need to find out CF. CF is cumulative frequency. After CF, mod Xi minus M and then Fi mod Xi minus M. In mean deviation about mean, we take Fi/Xi. And whenever median is asked, we take CF. CF is cumulative frequency. So first let us copy the given data. So what is given to us? 6, 9, 3, 12, 15, 13, 21, 22. And Fi is 4, 5, 3, 2, 5, 4, 4, 3. Always we need to add Fi column. So if you add this, what is the answer you get? You get 30. This is sigma Fi, or you can call it as N. Now we need to find CF, cumulative frequency. So first you write this, look at the frequency column and see how I am writing the CF. So this is 4 we write, then 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 4, 23, 23 plus 4, 27, 27 plus 3 is 30. Now we got n as 30. What is n by 2? Half of 30 is 15. So in CF, you see which number is greater than 15. So it is this one. So this is the median class. Okay. So in the median class, the corresponding xi will be the median. So xi is equal to 15. So median is equal to 15. So let me write over here. What is median? Median is the xi of median class. That is 15. Now you got m here. M is 15. From each xi you subtract 15. What is 6 minus 15? 9. 9 minus 15? 6. 3 minus 15? 12. 12 minus 15? 3. 15 minus 15? 0. 13 minus 15? 2. 21 minus 15? 6. 22 minus 15? 7. We are not taking negative here because you have modulus. Now we need to multiply Fi and Xi minus M column. 4 into 9 is 36. 5 into 6 is 30. This is 36. 2 into 3 is 6. 5 into 0 is 0. 4 into 2 is 8. And 4 into 6 is 24. 3 into 7 is 21. Once let us check what is Fi. Sigma Fi. It's correct. N is equal to 30 is correct. Now we need to add this last column. What is sigma Fi mod Xi minus M? If you add this, what we are getting? It's 31. Then 12, 161. This is 161. Now what is mean deviation about median? Mean deviation about median is sigma fi mod xi minus m by n. So that is 161 by 30. So what is 161 by 30? Let us divide and check. So 35 is 150, 11.0, 3 is 90, 20. Again we take a 0, 6 is 180. We can stop here, 5.36. Now take the next question. Find the mean deviation about median for the continuous distribution. So let us write the table, form the table. Marks obtained is the first column. Number of boys. Let us fill these two columns first. So marks obtained is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Number of boys is 6, 8, 14, 16, 4, 2. Marks obtained is CI because 0 to 10, 10 to 20, like this upper limit and lower limit is given. So this is called CI, class interval. And number of boys is given. So number of anything is taken as frequency. Now we will add the frequency column. So sigma Fi. If you add this, we will get 50. This is called as N also. Now after Ci and Fi, we need to, before Cf, we will find out mid values. Or first you can take Cf also, then after Cf, you can find out mid values. And mid values is taken as Xi. Then the next column is mod Xi minus M. And then Fi mod Xi minus M. So what is CF? Take frequency column and keep adding it. So the first number is 6. Then 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 14 is 28. Then 28 plus 16 is 44. 44 plus 4 is 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. Now if n is 50, n by 2 is 25. Now in CF you check which number is greater than 25. So 28 is greater than 25. So this is the median class. Now for continuous series, the method of finding the median is different. Okay, so this is the median class. And over here, let me find out the median here. So for median, formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So what is lower limit here? Lower limit of the median class, you look at the table. So L is 20, then n by 2 is 25. CF, which will you take as CF? See, the frequency of the median class is taken as F and the CF of the preceding class will be taken as CF. Understood? CF is not the cumulative frequency of the median class. CF is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So 14 is CF. So CF is equal to 14. And then F is equal to 14. Now let us find out median. Median is, now we are substituting the values, 20 plus 25 minus 14 by 14 into 10. First you solve this. So that is 20 plus 25 minus 14 is 11 by 14. And 11 into 10 is 110 divided by 14. So if you divide 110 by 14, you will get 7.86. So this is 27.86. I will show you the division of 110 divided by 14. So 14 sevens are 98. So this is 12. Take a point, take a 0 here. Now what is 14 eights are 112. Now you get 8. Again take a 0. Now 14 sixes are 84. Sorry. So what is 14 fives are? It's 70. So the answer is 0.5. But you get over here, you get 5555. So we are rounding this off to 27.86. Understood? You will get 27.85555. So if you are rounding off to two decimal places, you will get 27.86. Now you got median as 27.86. Now what are the mid values? Mid value of 0 and 10 is 5. 10 and 20 is 15. Like that you get 25, 35, 45 and 55. Now we need to subtract 5 minus 27.86. What is 27 minus 5? It is 22. So this is 22.86. Now reduce 10 10 each time. So 22 minus 10 is 12. Then 12 minus 10 is 2.86. Now we have to do 35 minus 27.86. So let's see how to do that. 35 minus 27.86. Borrow 0 becomes 10. This 0 becomes 9. 5 becomes 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. And then 34 minus 27 is 7. So this is 7.14. Now you add 10, 17.14. Again add 10, 27.14. Now we need to multiply second column and the last column. So what is 22.86 into 6? 137.16. 12.86 into 8? 102.88. Then 2.86 into 14? 40.04. 7.14 into 16? 68.56. 17.14 into 4? One second. This is 114.24. And the next will be 68.56. And the next is 54.28. Now if you add them all, you will get 517.16. This is sigma Fi mod Xi minus M. So what is mean deviation? Mean deviation about median is sigma Fi mod Xi minus M by N. So that is 517.16 divided by 50. So if you divide this, you are going to get 10.34. Now take the next question. Find the mean deviation about median for the following data. So age in years is given, number of workers is given. Let us form a table now. So age in years, number of workers, CF, midpoints. Midpoints we take it as Xi. Then mod Xi minus M. and then Fi mod Xi minus M. Now first two columns we copy as it is. 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. Number of workers is 120, 125, 175, 160, 150, 140, 130. If you add this up, you will get 1000. This is N. Now let's find out CF. This is Fi and this is CI. CF is first 120, then 120 plus 125 is 245, 245 plus 175 is 420, 420 plus 160 is 580, 580 plus 150 is 730, 730 plus 140 is 870, 870 plus 100 is 970, plus 30 is 1000. Now if n is 1000, n by 2 will be 500. So which number is greater than 500 in CF? It is 580. So this is median class. Now let us write midpoints. What is the mid value of 20 and 25? 22.5. Mid value of 25 and 30? 27.5. Like that we will continue. 32.5, 37.5. 42.5, 47.5. 52.5, 57.5. Now, before finding the last two columns, we need to find out median. So, if you look at the median class, this is F and this is CF. So, L is 35, F is 160, CF is 420, H is 5. So, median is L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So that is L is 35 plus N by 2 is 500 minus 420 divided by F is 160 into H is 5. So that is 35 plus this is 80 by 160 into 5. 80 ones are 80, 2s are 5 by 2 is 2.5. So that is 37.5. You don't write here in the table. After the table, you need to write this median part. Now let us find mod xi minus m. Now we got m as 37.5. So 22.5 minus 37.5 is 15. Now you subtract 5 because class size is 5. So if you subtract 5, you will get 10. Then again you subtract 5, you will get 5. Then again you subtract 5, you will get 0. Then again 5, 10, 15, 20 you will get. Now we need to multiply Fi column with the last column. What is Fi? 120 into 15. So that is 1800. Then 125 into 10 is 1250. 175 into 5 is 875. 160 into 0 is 0. 150 into 5 is 750. Then next 140 into 10 is 1400. 100 into 15 is 1500. 13 into 20 is 600. Now if we add this, we will get 8175. Now let us find mean deviation about median. Formula is sigma Fi mod xi minus m by n. So that is 8175 divided by 1000. So that is 8.175. To remove 3 zeros from the denominator, we need to put a point before 3 digits. That is a shortcut to divide. This is the final answer.